Hi, good morning, friends. Today, let us discuss the topic nature and scope of management. What do you mean by management? Management is a broad term which we always use in managing an organization. It is needed in every organization, whether it's a business organization or a non business organization like school, club, hospital, government offices, etc. No organization can work effectively and efficiently without management. So we can say that management is a popular term which is applied universally. Let us divide the term management into managing men tactfully. We can see the picture. There is a centralized character and there are a lot of employees surrounded by him. So we can say that the centralized character or the centralized person, he is the manager. He is the person who controls all the efficient employees in that particular business. So, in business, managing means managing human and non human factors, which are the inputs or resources of the organization. These inputs can be consist as men, material, machines, methods, and money. The 5 M's of management. Therefore, these 5 M's, men, material, machines, methods, and money, are popularly known as 5 M's of management. Because of these divergent views, it is very difficult to give a precise definition to the term management because it has drawn concepts from many disciplines and it has got many principles from economics, sociology, psychology, etc. There are large number of contributors towards the development of the management. And at last, we can define the management term as management is an art or process of getting things done through other people. As per Mary Parker Follet, the definition of management we can term as management is an art or process of getting things done through other people. So the result is that each group of contributors has treated management differently. From this, we get the details that management is a simple term which helps or denotes either an individual or a group of individuals who are entrusted with the responsibilities of running an organization smoothly. Thus, they plan, organize, direct, and control the activities in an organization to achieve the objectives. So, we can say that this is the essence of management. As per Harold Kuhn's, management can be defined as management is the art of getting things done through and with the people in formally organized groups. So, management, therefore, may be stated as a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. Effectiveness means finishing given task at a specified time achieved of end results, whereas efficiency means doing the task correctly with minimum cost, maximum benefit with minimum resources. So, the definitions given a highlights on 3 aspects. That is, management is a process which primarily focus on planning, recruitment, organizing, controlling, directing, staffing, selection, etc. And effectiveness in management means doing the right task at a specified time with an end result. And efficiency means doing the task correctly, completely, and with minimum cost. Let us now discuss the characteristics or features of management. Characteristics can be explained through several points such as multidisciplinary, achieve objectives, need at all levels. Management is a continuous process. It's a group activity. Environmental changes are accepted, multidimensional, and at last, intangible force. Let us now discuss these points. Before that, let us once again move through these points. Can we recognize something? Yes. The characteristics or the features of management is even developed from the term itself, management. M for multidisciplinary, A for achieving objectives, N for need at all levels, A for continuous process, G for group activity, environmental changes are accepted, multidimensional, and the last three letters ENT, but we can describe it as intangible force. Let us cut the E and let us include I on that term and let us make it as intangible force. So when we are focusing on the management term itself, we will get the characteristics or features of that particular term. Now let us discuss in detail about these features. Multidisciplinary. Management integrates the ideas and concepts taken from various disciplines such as psychology, sociology, ecology, economics, statistics, research methodology, history, medicine, engineering, etc. And all these contributions to the field of management can be expected from any discipline which deals with the same aspects of human beings. So we can see that management has drawn concepts and developed its principles from various disciplines. And this result in various contributors has treated management differently. Thus, management is defined as the process of getting things done through the effort of others. And the second one, achieve objectives. We can divide the objectives of management into three: organizational objectives, personal or individual objectives, and social objectives. Organizational objectives means organization will be having some basic goals or the set of goals which are the basic reason for its existence, which includes survival of the business, growth of the business, or profit of the business. Different organizations have different goals. And also in the organization, the employees or the management or the people in the human resource in the organization will be having personal or individual objectives. Sometimes it may be on their financial needs or can be social needs or even higher. So management also aims to achieving all these individual or personal interests. And on third one, objectives, social objectives. Management also aim to satisfy the social objectives such as employment, developing eco-friendly products, schools, hospitals, etc. Third point, need at all levels. Management or the functions of management are needed at all levels of management. That is, we can say that the levels of management can be divided into three, which are the hierarchy of management positions from top to bottom. There are generally three levels: top level, middle level, and lower level. Top level includes the board of directors and chief executives of an organization. The middle level includes the department heads or the brand managers. And the lower level includes the supervisors or the section officers, etc. At all these levels, or the managers require the functions of management. All these people have to plan, organize, direct, control, and coordinate all the functions of the organization. Management is a continuous process. Management is a continuous and never ending function. It identifies problems constantly and takes appropriate actions. Functions like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling are performed by all managers on a continuous basis. These functions are simultaneously performed by all managers at all the time. So we say that management is a continuous process. Group activity. Every organization consists of a group of people with different needs. Every member of this group enters the organization with a different purpose. But as members of the organization, they work as a team or work together for the achievement of common organizational goal, which means their personal objectives such as financial needs, social needs, or even higher needs are combined with the objective of the organization, such as survival of the organization, growth, profitability of the organization, etc. So that each of these objectives can be achieved as a group. So, management process is a group activity. All these members of the organization work together for the attainment of their common goal. Environmental changes are accepted. Management principles and techniques are dynamic in nature. Dynamic means they always accept changes. Management adapts itself to changes and introduces innovation. If you are considering an example, KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken Company, made certain changes in their menu to cater as per the needs of the Indian customers. That's why they stay in the Indian market. So we can say that it's a dynamic function which adapts all the changing environments so that management must be functional in all our environments, all our situations. Management is multi-dimensional. It's a complex activity. Management is a complex activity which has three main dimensions: operations, work, and management of people. Management of operations means production process which transforms inputs into desired output. For this operation process, there must be interlinking both management of work and management of people. Then second one, management of work. All organizations are engaged in doing some kind of work. Schools provide education, factory produce goods, hospitals offer treatments to patients, etc. So all organizations are engaged in doing management functions. Management of people. Human resources are the most valuable asset to any organization. It involves getting work done through people. Thus, managing people has two dimensions. It implies dealing with employees as individuals and dealing with individuals as a group. So, we can say that management is multi-dimensional. Management is a complex activity which has three dimensions: management of work, management of people, and management of operations. And the last one, intangible force. Management is sometimes referred to as intangible or unseen force. Its presence is visualized only by the result, which means we cannot touch it. We can only feel the result. Example, increase in profits, satisfied workforce, satisfied customers, etc. So we can say that it's an intangible force management. Management function in all organizations in every aspects which is an intangible force that cannot be seen, but its presence can be felt in the way of the organization functions. Thank you. Have a nice day.